Hi guys, and hopefully this video works alright. I'm sorry I haven't been doing videos in a while because our house has been flooded and there's been issues with my Wi-Fi internet connection. So hopefully this video gets uploaded. I'd like to talk about the next versions of Windows. Not Windows, the next versions of all the common operating systems. So Linux, OS 10 and Windows. First of all, we'll start off with Windows. I saw a video and it appears that all we know is that it's called Windows 7, and I saw a graphical video where it was at a conference where they were demonstrating Windows 7, and apparently Windows 7 is based around a touch interface. So you interact with the computer via touch. Again, this could produce some small hiccups because of issues with things, but I think Microsoft, when they implemented some speech recognition in Windows Vista, even though it's not very good, they're really trying about making it accessible for lots of different communities, which I think is a really good thing because not everybody can use their hands to type on the keyboard, and at the end of the day, people like that don't want a specialised computer with a specialised operating system. They just want it all to work. And I think the best speech recognition I've probably heard about is from Ford Sync, which I did a video about a while back. You can go and check that out if you want to. So yeah, they're about implementing the touch interface so that it's easier and more interactive for users to navigate their way around the operating system. Now, let's talk about the new version of, the alleged new version of OS 10. I don't know any more about this. I don't know any more about this than the fact that it's called Walrus. I saw an ad for it on YouTube, and it might have just been an unofficial Apple ad that someone on YouTube made. It could possibly have been. However, that's all I know about that. And then I should mention that Windows 7, which is the successor to Windows Vista, is set to come out in 2009, and I think the next version of OS 10 is set to come out a little bit earlier. And obviously, now let's get on to Linux. Linux, as we all know, because of the nature of the open source platform, it is evolving all the time, which is a good thing. You know, we've got things like KDE 4.0, different versions of Ubuntu, OpenSUSE, and what I'm liking now is open source operating systems, which have a flavour of them that can integrate seamlessly onto Apple computers, which is a really good thing. You know, now it's got this thing about Boot Camp, but that's not necessarily designed to run Linux. This is things that can run on native native Apple hardware that can natively run Linux. It just shows you the power of the community when they really put their minds to it. As you know, I do have some very major reservations about Linux, but the whole concept of it is generally a good protocol for them all to follow. So yeah, and if you think about the next versions of Ubuntu, OpenSUSE, Fedora, Sabian, I am going to be trying the beta copy of OpenSUSE, the next version of it. I'll just check that out now. I'm not quite sure what distro it is. I think it's I've got 4 gigabytes of RAM in this system now. By the way, it's a MacBook running Leopard. Oh, sorry about the frames on this. The issues with the frames freezing. I don't quite know how this is gonna capture because of issues that I'm having. I'll just try to find some more information about Kubuntu. And we can go to download, and the next, it's obviously talking about Gutsy Gibbon, which is the brother to Ubuntu, but I'm not seeing anything about really any specific betas here. If I KDE 4.2 released, first alpha, so what just been KDE 4.2 has just been released today. So what I'm going to do is, this is completely off the cuff, by the way. I'm just gonna tell you a little bit. The interface looks starkly. Basically what we'll try and do is put the link directly to this in the show notes. You can find more about this at ubuntu.org. Just a little throw in for its jack, because we're running out of time in this particular video. I did go to New York, and I spent 3 hours at the Apple Store in 5th Avenue. It's a magnificent place, isn't it? Anyway, if you want to check out the next video, you can check it out. Just watch my YouTube channel. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.